That's Terrence. Alright, hey guys, if you can hear me, gals and guys out there, keep going through this loop. I am Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Reminding you of our second location at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Two great locations to get you the repair that you so desperately need. You can also visit us on the web at computersplususa.com. If you happen to be viewing this podcast in a different state, maybe in a different country, ship us your device. We can get it fixed for you and ship it back to you faster than most people can actually do. Because we're Computers Plus. We've been in business for now 13 years. So, hey, what's tomorrow? Remind everybody tomorrow is like what the title says. Hey, hey guys, reminding everybody what the title is. It's Free Diagnostic Friday. Women Wednesday. See, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. Women Wednesday. And kind of like what the post says, 10% off any service or any product. Also, you get a free diagnostic. So if you have a computer, a tablet, and you just don't know what's wrong with it, bring it to Computers Plus on Wednesday and just say Women Wednesday, and we're going to get those discounts to you guys. Women, actually, not guys. Women or girls. Okay, so let's move on. So remind everybody of that. Now, what happened yesterday? It was a lot of storms that happened. And during the storm time, people asked the question, what should I do with my computer? Well, the number one thing you should definitely have is a surge protector. You need a surge protector on your computer. Because why? Because sometimes lightning strikes, and when it does, it comes at the wrong time, and you can short out all your components. So sometimes you may think to yourself, well, is it right? Should I unplug everything and take everything off? You know what? That's not a bad idea. When it's storming, when it's weather like it was, unplug certain devices and then just, relax. Because the worst thing that happen is like, let's say you keep them plugged up and then you short some stuff out. Now you gotta call your insurance company. You gotta look at you gotta see if your data was possibly impacted from the power surge. So get a power surge if you're going to use your computer during bad weather. Is what I'm trying to say. Get a power surge and don't spend like $10 on one. Go out there and get a nice $30, $40 one. Belkin makes a really good power surge protector. Backup batteries are a little bit different. We use a lot of backup batteries because if we're doing backups and we have to lose power, we don't want to have to start all over. So we keep backup batteries to keep that recovery going. So if you have a hard drive and you need to get data off of it, come to Black Computers Plus. We can recover your data for you. If you guys saw this, Kaylin, new addition here to Computers Plus, was talking about our hours on Saturday. Yes, it is true. We're going to be open till 7 p.m. on Saturday. So Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. We're still closed on Sunday, and we're working to open those back up because we know how much sometimes people do need our assistance on Sunday, and they just need that tech support. So during COVID, we did scale back, but we're opening back up. So we're opening back up on Sundays. We'll keep you guys posted as far as the date and the times. There was a time we were open on Sunday from 10 to 5, then we did from 11 to 4. So we're playing with those numbers to see what's the best time for people to take advantage of our time while we're here. So just be on the lookout for that information. Our food drive is still here and still alive. So if you live in the Cobb County area and you want to donate to your community, bring in a canned good and we'll give it to a family that needs it. That needs it. We've been doing this for a course of 3 years now. So even if you don't need a computer repair, and if you do need a computer repair or need to buy one, you bring 25 canned goods in, you get $25 off of that repair or off of that purchase. So it's an incentive that we want to give to everybody to think about giving whenever they possibly can. Life is almost like a game, when it comes to, sports. We all got to work together to get one goal. And if we can work together to solve the hunger problem in our area, we can make ripples through this whole world. And ripples come into waves, and waves can bring in success. So if you have a food and you want to donate, please make sure that you bring it back. Yes. Yes, I did talk about Sundays. Thank you for reminding me. I let them know. And Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you saw that post before, Caitlin talking about it. She reminded me again, so I will make sure I remind you guys that we will be open from Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And on Sunday, we're waiting. I know you guys been waiting for it. We're coming back in. We're breaking back. We're coming back to where we were, and we're going to be open on Sundays to give you that time to bring your computer to us and get that tech support. Sometimes Sundays work really well for people that may need that one-on-one conversation because they have a busy work schedule. And Saturdays like with the kids, so Sunday after church they're like, hey, you know what? I can go by and take a look at my computer at Computers Plus. That is here for your needs. We are getting ramped up for our Labor Day sale. It's a little bit different than what we do. We don't stay open all the time during Labor Day, so we have a targeted time because we want to be able to give our staff here time to be with their family, maybe have a barbecue, go to the swimming pool. Because it's Labor Day, it's hard to imagine that Christmas is right around the corner. Christmas is literally right around the corner. So, with Labor Day, we got something planned. We'll let you guys know about that. But we also got our Halloween contest coming up. We do this every year. I get super excited because I like to see a lot of customers come in and a lot of staff come in with their different Halloween costumes, and we give away some great prizes, some great gifts. So it's a great opportunity for us to meet you guys and be able to see some really cool costumes that you guys come up with. Now, Dragon Con is coming in September. So we have a little thing going on with Dragon Con. And what Dragon Con is a time that a lot of people that are into cosplay go down to Atlanta, and there's like 80,000 people. You guys get more benefit out of that one. Hotels, every hotels, the parades, everything is like there. So many people there. And Dragon, so if you come in during those times and bring your badge, we're going to take care of you with a discount. If you come in full costume, I think we're going to be like 15% off. So perfect time to show your costume, because I know a lot of people put all the time and effort in the Dragon as far as their costumes, and they want to be recognized. Well, we're giving you a platform to be recognized. We're going to put you on our Instagram, we're going to put you on our Facebook page, we're going to say, hey, this great person got this cool outfit, and hey, want to show you guys what it looks like, because we spend a lot of time in these things. If you've ever known anybody that does a lot of cosplay and costumes, they spend a lot of time, a lot of money on their art, and so it's our time that we want to congratulate them and say, hey, great job, and just putting together this really cool costume, and then let's show all of our different customers, because it's part of our community, so Dragon Con is happening Labor Day weekend. Now, before I let you guys go,
I'll be here.
There was some more talk.
Alright.
Hey, you kind of doing my podcast. Yeah, I'm jibber jabbing. We were talking about different type of solutions, and people need help. And when they need help, they need somebody with answers. We're here to give you those answers. We have a great program. It's called our membership program. And what it does is you can buy into this membership. You get an antivirus. You get unlimited tech support, remote network support. So you get a tech in your back pocket. Now, we made a cool little folder here, but I'm not sure if it comes up on the light better. But there's 4 different tiers. I would have liked for the... So we have bronze, we have silver, we have, can you guys see that? I know it's being washed out, gold, and platinum, and we also have titanium in the middle. So these are all different IT plans that can more or less help benefit you when it comes to your technical needs. When you purchase an antivirus, you think to yourself that, hey, I'm going to be protected, and if I have an issue, I'm going to be able to call, and they're going to be able to help me through it. Well, people will find out that they are completely disappointed with that process, with McAfee, with Norton, all the different antivirus out there, that you think by purchasing them, you're going to be protected 100%. That doesn't work that way. Nothing will protect you 100%, but there are tools and things that we can put in place to help minimize any type of exposure that may possibly happen. What type of things can we implement? We can implement cloud storage backup and make sure that we're backing up the things we need backed up. We're not just doing a blind backup and we're filling up our hard drive with nothing but things that aren't needed. So we can target those backups to specifically get different folders that you might need. So if for some reason maybe you got hacked, or maybe ransomware, someone came across your internet and said, hey, now you're gonna pay me 500 bitcoins in order for you to get your pictures, you can laugh at them and say, you know what, I'm protected, I'm taken care of, very good. And we can now put into place things to prevent that person from ever calling you again, from getting back into your information. So we look at now and we look at preventative. So preventative measures of non-reoccurrence. It's things we can put in place to prevent the possibility of things reoccurring in our life. A lot of people sometimes get hacked 2 or 3 times out the year, and that's heart-wrenching, because that if you've never been a victim of identity theft or ever been hacked, it is completely the worst feeling that you can feel next to, like, some sickness. Because why? Someone has taken your identity, taken your information, and they went on a spending spree. And you have to make sure you know the right tools to, one, stop it, and then prevent it from happening again. And those are things that we can teach you. And through our membership program, we send out emails of all this information that is not in the headline news. They don't make the Wall Street Journal. And it's information that can help protect you, protect your business, protect your family, and protect the things that are most vital to you. Give us a call at 770-693-0769. You can also visit us on the website at computersplususa.com. You can click online security. There is an option there. You can click that and get started, and you'll get a phone call from a tech concierge, one of our tech concierges here, and we're going to walk through a plan on how you can better protect yourself, because nothing's worse, like I said, than getting your identity hacked or stolen and then having to fight to tell people, hey, I never charged this wasn't me. And that is just something that we shouldn't have to go through, but we do go through it. Here's a team, here's a company that is on your side and help you get through that process. So we have some great membership programs here. If you want more information, you can always give us a call. We're open now 6 days a week from 9 to 7. 9 to 7. And on Sunday, be on the lookout for Sundays, we're opening back up on Sundays. So there are some really amazing things that are happening in Computers Plus that we want to let you guys know. And by getting more information from you guys, we get better and better and better. That's how we grow. That's how we get much better. And we find the need that people are having, because we put our ear to the ground, but we can't listen to everything unless people tell us what's going on. So if you haven't gotten hacked, let people know this is what's happening, because you never know who you can save. A neighbor, a friend, a family member from getting that next one. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. I don't think you guys like the hat. You like these hats? I like the hats, but I'm thinking about making the plus white, like how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be white, because I think it pops better. What do you guys think? I think it pops better. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, and we'll see you guys soon. Cat?
Give me a second.
Can someone cut it? Yeah, I'm still live. You can.
No, you got pinch.
Oh, there you go. See, that's what I have to do. I'll see you guys. Bye.
What's that phone number?